We are going to prepare a mixture which will remove any kind of tough stains from the gas stove. For that we need half cup or 1/4 cup of baking soda, cooking soda, and then to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I'm going to add a few drops of vinegar into it. It will just bubble up like this, and to that I'm going to add few drops of lemon juice. And so this is the mixture that we are going to use it for cleaning. Fill a bowl with hot or warm water. To that we need to add the prepared mixture, 2 or 3 teaspoons of prepared mixture, and few drops of dishwash liquid. Now I am removing the burners, and I'm going to put them in the hot water liquid that we have prepared before. This is very important to remove all the dirt or the burnt food which has been trapped in the holes, which will block the flames to come out. And I'm removing the burner gates and the rings. Now spread the mix evenly around all over the gas stove. This will make sure all the stains will be removed completely. No matter how much tough stain it is, this liquid will remove all those stains. Now leave it just like that for a minimum of 15 to 30 minutes. This is very important. Let's clean the tough stains and the things which has been trapped around the screws and everything. We'll remove it with a brush. Use an old use and throw cloth to clean out all the dirts. This cleaning, deep cleaning, you have to do at least once in a month to make sure that the stove, which is we are cooking all the food there, it is very clean, neat and antibacterial. And to remove any excess grease and to give that sparkling shining to the gas stove, I'm using Mr. Muscle tough stain removal. This you have to just spray all over the gas stove. I'm using a sponge wipe here. This will just make sure it will absorb or any excess grease or anything which is there in the gas stove. If it's not there, you can use a cloth, neat cloth also. After 30 minutes, let's take out the burner. All the dirt which has been trapped in the holes will be removed, dissolved into the solution by now. Have a close look and check if any more hole is filled, that you can remove. with a safety pin. Now let's keep the burner, the rings and the grates, everything back. As you can see, it's as shiny as new.